What's up, fellow lazy people? If you clicked on this video, then you've probably had a lazy dream just like me. I mean, are you tired of the daily grind, sick of hustling day in and day out only to see an uninspiring paycheck at the end of the month? Do you wish that you could finally live like those people you see traveling to exotic corners of the world every single month? Well, I have good news for you. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the lazy person's way to making money online and how you can start earning $333 every single day without even having to talk to a customer or even having to actually touch a product yourself. When it comes to making money online, the term lazy often gets a bad rep. But let's face it, who doesn't want to make money with minimal effort? And if you're here, chances are you love the idea of a lazy dream. That's why we've identified 5 important criteria for a truly lazy business model. Firstly, you don't have to talk to any customers yourself. This is a big one for many people who want to make money but don't want to deal with the hassle of customer service. With the right business model, you can let someone else handle all of the customer inquiries and complaints while you sit back and collect the profits. Now, there are going to be some scenarios where you want to communicate with people, but let's just say 90 to 95% of that could be automated, specifically when it comes to your returns, customer complaints, technology issues. Imagine if you didn't have to deal with that stuff yourself. Secondly, you don't have to touch any product if you don't want to. This includes managing the inventory yourself. Again, this is a huge benefit for people who don't want to deal with the physical aspects of running a business, and even more specifically, a product-based business. With the right business model, you can let someone else handle all of the warehousing, all of the shipping, and the inventory management for you. Thirdly, you don't have to fulfill any orders yourself. Similar to the previous point, with the right business model, you can let someone else handle all of the fulfillment and shipping for you when a customer is giving you money for your product. This means you can focus on other aspects of your business or simply enjoy the passive income aspect of it. Now, fourthly, you don't have to create content with a camera or be an influencer. For many people, creating content can be a daunting task, but with the right business model, you can let someone else handle all of the content creation while you focus on other aspects of the business. Finally, the business has the potential to pay you for years and years after only doing the work once. This is perhaps the biggest benefit of a truly lazy business model. You're not trading your own time for money, but rather you make an initial investment into your business that can continuously pay you from year to year. Now, I know that there are plenty of side hustles out there that can bring in good money, but the moment you stop working, it stops paying. That's not the kind of lazy we're talking about. We want a business that gives us the biggest bang for our buck and requires minimal effort on our part. So you're probably wondering, what's the best lazy way to make money? And that's where Amazon FBA comes in. Amazon FBA, or Fulfilled by Amazon, is a program offered by Amazon that allows individuals and businesses like myself to sell their products on Amazon's platform. The program is designed to take care of the entire process from packing, storing, and shipping. So the seller can focus on sourcing products and actually growing their business and their product line. Here's how it works. When a seller enrolls in Amazon FBA, they find a profitable product, source the product from a manufacturer, most likely from Alibaba or in China, and they send their products to Amazon's fulfillment center. And from there, Amazon will store products for a customer until an order is placed. When an order is placed, Amazon will pick, pack, and ship the product to the customer on the seller's behalf. Amazon also handles all of the customer service and returns for the seller. One of the biggest benefits of using Amazon FBA, and why, in my opinion, it's the absolute best lazy business, is that it takes care of the logistical nightmare that we like to call fulfillment, which would otherwise have huge burden on sellers, not to mention cost. It also gives sellers access to Amazon's massive customer base and global distribution network of millions of people around the world, which can help ultimately increase sales right out of the gates. Now that is your high leverage traffic source, the Amazon machine itself. The incredible thing about Amazon is that most of the people shopping on the platform are there because they want to be there. This means that people are there because they have intention to buy something. People are already familiar with Amazon, they trust it to a very high degree, and thereby improving their chances to actually purchase a product. Now, the second part of the equation is that it must have potential for high profit margins in order for you to have a bigger payout. Let me break it down for you in some simple math terms. Now, let's say you go ahead and you find a product that you can source on Alibaba for $5. Now, let's say that product on Amazon sells for $50. So right there, we have about $45 of gross margin. Amazon obviously takes its fee. There's some additional cost that goes into your landing cost. You're probably left with around $20 left in your margin. So now let's just say that you sell 20 units a day. That's $400 a day in profit, or $12,000 a month. Don't you think that out of 2.5 billion unique monthly visitors that Amazon gets every single month, you'll be able to just get 20 units of your product sold per day? And the best part, Amazon does all of the heavy lifting for you. Think of Amazon as a massive department store. When you enroll in the FBA program, you become this vendor in that store. You source your products through a website like Alibaba, send them to Amazon's fulfillment center. From there, Amazon stores your products until a customer places an order. They pick, pack, and ship the product to customers on your behalf. Amazon also handles all of the customer service, like I mentioned before, the returns as well, saving you a ton of time, the hassle of having to do this yourself. It's like having your own personal assistant, but for your business. And on top of that, Amazon FBA also makes your products eligible for Prime shipping, which can make them even more attractive to customers. Prime is Amazon's membership program that offers free, fast shipping on millions of products. When a seller enrolls into FBA, their products are automatically eligible for Prime shipping because they can guarantee within their infrastructure that they can get your product to a customer within a couple of days. Overall, Amazon FBA is a powerful tool for sellers who want to tap into Amazon's massive customer base and distribution network without having to worry about logistics or fulfillment. It's a great way for individuals and businesses to start selling on Amazon and grow their business with minimal effort, a true lazy person's business. But I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but how do I even get started with Amazon FBA? Step number 1, you want a product that meets the criteria I mentioned earlier. Look for products that are in high demand, but not overly saturated on Amazon. You can use tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10 to help you with your product research. Step number 2, find a supplier. Alibaba is a great resource for sourcing products. Look for a supplier that has good reviews, have been in business for a while, and overall just communicates really well. Step number 3, create your Amazon Seller Central account. This is where you'll set up your storefront and list your products for sale. Step 4, ship your products to Amazon's fulfillment center. This is where Amazon will store, ship your products to customers. And step number 5, sit back and watch the money roll in. Amazon will handle the rest of everything for you, including customer service and returns. Now, I do want to prelim, there is definitely some customer service that you need to do as a business owner by all means, but like I said, 90 to 95% of that can be automated through Amazon's FBA program. And the best part is, once you've done the work to get your Amazon FBA business up and running and you figure out that process and you've gone through that learning curve, you can just repeat the process and it has the potential to pay you for years to come with minimal effort on your part. You can continue to source, like I said, new products, grow your business by repeating the process, or you can simply just sit back and enjoy the passive income based off of one product, whatever your goal is. So before I wrap up this video, I want to leave you with one final thought. The key to success with Amazon FBA, like any other business model, is to be consistent and persistent. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a long-term investment into your financial future. If you're looking for a lazy way to make money online, Amazon FBA is the way to go. A true lazy business model is all about maximizing your profits while minimizing your effort. It's about finding a business model that fits your lifestyle and allows you to enjoy a truly passive income source. That's why we've created an entire video that walks you through the entire step-by-step process. You can find the link to this video in the description. I'm also going to put it up directly on the screen here for you guys. We've also created a video that explains how to automate 80% of your business with AI tools, the next part of the future. Again, you can find the link to that in the description. I'll also pop it on the screen here. So what are you waiting for? Get started with Amazon FBA today and start earning a handsome passive income source tomorrow. I'll see you in the next one.